In a corner of the earth, the skies are dark and torn. Children cry in silence, their innocence all worn. Dust rises in the morning, where gardens used to grow, and the only song they're singing is a whisper soft and low. Oh, the sound of the guns drowns the sound of the drums, while mothers wait for children who may never come. In the heart of the storm, there's a prayer on the run. Will we ever find peace beneath the same sun? From deserts to the mountains, from cities to the seas, fathers fight for freedom, and some just to be free. But every fallen soldier leaves a hole that never heals. No flag can stop the bleeding, no medal may reveal. The sound of the guns drowns the sound of the drums, while brothers turn on brothers, forgetting where they're from. In the ash of the battle, a child beats a drum, still dreaming of peace beneath the same sun. What good is a border when hearts are all the same? What truth is in power when love can't speak its name? History repeats in shadows and smoke, and the people pay the price for the promises broke. So sing for the fallen, for the ones still standing tall, for the brave and the broken, and the names on the wall. Let the winds carry voices where no bombs ever fell. A world without